Today we're celebrating Mom's birthday. Okay, we're doing the chocolate cake. Okay, let's start. First, get the batter. Get some scissors. Get the bowl. Cut and start. Done with the powder. Next, we're gonna add some water. And then we're going to add some eggs. Thank you. One egg at a time. One egg. One, two. And the last one. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Should fine. Now we mix. You need to mix it well until there's no white bits. When you cook, could you prepare the butter? Oh, thank you. Could you pour it? Okay, and now we just smash it. Smash and smash. But don't over mix until, just mix until it is just right. Until it's not got the white crumbs that you don't want. So get that, we will add real quick and get another spatula and smash the butter. Smash. 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 Smash, smash, smash. Smash, smash, smash. You're still not there. Let's see, we should scrape some. It's in here. It's in here. What? Something's in here. Okay. Okay. You can stop and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now you try. Until I count to 10, I'll make a quiz. What has a big nose, a red hat, and the name starts with an M? Please write down the comments. Okay, your time's up. Now count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Until I mix, and get another bowl. And we make some frosting. We're gonna make some cookie frosting. So we're gonna add some cookies. No, don't need it. Don't need the materials. Come on. And now mash. Mash the cookies. No, quiet. Okay, now we are going to add some bread, some chocolate. First, put it in half. And you get some cake. Another one some frosting. Excuse me. Okay. And you could smash it until I fully mix the batter. You make the icing and we'll take turns mixing both. And at the end, we'll get to see what the sticker is. Please stay tuned. Oh no. Okay, now you mix the batter, I'll mix the frosting. When you're mixing, it should be like this. And we just add some melted butter and some milk. And how about a quiz? On you? What does Charizard type? What is Charizard type? Put down in the comments down below. Okay, should we now change? Should we? Look at the icing. Now, you just keep mixing the icing. Ooh, I see you did a great job with the butter. Oopsie. It's okay. I think now we don't need to crush it. I think I'll use the spatula, which checks for more butter pieces. And I think we are done with the cake batter. So scrape. And let's start. Okay, now we're gonna use a different pan and then pour the batter in. Plastic spatula and then scrape all of the batter. Okay, now I think we are good to go. Okay, now let's send this to the oven and then see you later. Okay, now that is baked and now it's time for the frosting. Get the knife. Now get the knife and get some frosting and just spread. Keep spreading until it is fully covered and no more icing left. Okay. No, you need to do it with the knife, not the spoon. Get the spoon out. Every single last bit of frosting. Okay, spread, 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 spread. And then the last bit of frosting is going to be spread. Okay. Just spread it until it is completely even. Okay, now give me the spoon. Get the spoon and spread it with the spoon. Now like that. Yeah. This. Okay, we're done. we're gonna put them. Ooh, it's very pretty. Okay, now the butterfly sprinkles are done, and now for the star sprinkles. Okay, put it here too, not that. Here. No, it didn't do anything. What is this? Wait. Oh, it's gone. Okay, then I think I should just... And I think we're done. Okay, now get some candles. And done! The cake is finished. Okay, now... Okay guys, this is it for our day with the cake. And what did you just think about this? Okay, we're gonna enjoy it. Bye!